Indrani and welcome back to Amigos Cookroom. Being an Indian, we all crave for sweets, and Indian cuisine is a secret book to a wide variety of sweet dishes. Gajar ka halwa or gajar halwa is that one dessert we drool over in every winter season. Originating from the Arabic word halwa meaning sweet, this dish was first introduced during the Mughal period. In spite of having a strong association with Punjab and Punjabi cuisine, the actual origin of this dish is still not clear. But in spite of all these problems, this age-old traditional recipe remained in Punjabi cookbook for ages. So let's start with the preparation. I have taken 1 kg of red winter carrots and have finely grated it. It is always preferable to use the red carrots instead of the orange one that we get all throughout the year. And put on the flame and place a kadhai. Once the kadhai gets mediumly heated, adding in the grated carrots. Since the gajar in the halwa is totally going to prepare in the milk, therefore against 1 kg of carrots you need 500 to 750 ml of milk. I have personally used 750 ml. But don't add the whole milk all together at one time. Instead, keep adding it in portions. I have added here some more milk, which is ultimately summing up to 750 ml. Now cover and cook on low to medium flame until the carrots becomes partially soft. Check whether the carrots are partially cooked or not. The carrots are now half cooked. The remaining will be done while we dry up the milk. The remaining procedure is all about a perfect arm exercise. Putting the gas on medium to high flame and keeping the kadhai uncovered, you need to constantly stir it on regular interval. Now I'll be adding 2 cups of sugar, which is approximately around 200 to 240 grams. Once the sugar melts, slowly the halwa will start changing its color, and at the same time the milk will also reduce further. Now you can see the consistency of the halwa is well mushy. Putting the gas on low to medium flame, we'll move on to the next procedure. Heat a pan to prepare a tempering or tarka and add ghee ranging between 100 to 150 grams. I have personally used 125 grams of clarified butter or ghee. Once the ghee melts, add in a handful of broken cashew nuts. And fry it till the cashew turns golden brown in color. Once done, put off the gas and carefully pour this over the carrot mixture. Putting the gas on low flame, mix the carrot very well with the ghee and the cashew nuts. At this moment, you can check the sugar level. If you want, you can add some more of it. But I am not adding anything else over here as I have got the perfect color and the perfect consistency. Therefore, put off the gas, cover and keep this on standing time for around 10 minutes. But keep a slight gap for the vapor to come out. Punjabi style gajar ka halwa is ready to be served. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.